I know many people are curious about who I am and how I approach my art. This is a class for people who want to understand dream catchers and learn both traditional and modern crafting techniques. In this class, you are creating, not copying. When you learn these skills, you can create something the world has never seen before, and I think that is truly amazing. I believe us as human beings have a predisposition to creativity. Everybody has this ability, but not everybody knows how to unlock it. You need someone who will empower you in your craft. Someone that won't limit your true potential. I believe in the power of dream catchers and in the unity they can bring. Possibly the most important part about dream catchers is understanding the deep symbolism held in every single part of them. I will teach you how to harness these never before seen crafting techniques. I would love for you to come to these classes where you can learn the history about dream catchers, their uses, and unlock what they can bring to your life. I am Kim Crystal, and this is my masterclass.